Okay, so I am currently going to an earth tone party. Well, I got lipstick all on my teeth. Anyway, I'm going to an earth tone party. That's very exciting, and I'm going to vlog it. I'm not really one to do a little vloggy vlog. Like, well, let me stop. I did it during my 30-day challenge of posting every day, but like, I don't know. I'm excited. I invited my friend Connor with me. We're finna go get some Indian food, and then we're finna go to the earth tone party. And I thought, why not vlog this? Because it's the perfect match, because I like earth tones, man. Like, earth tones have really grown on me as I've gotten older. But this is the makeup. All right, so let's meet Kana at the Indian restaurant, Essence of India. Let's do it. Hopefully y'all can see me, but I forgot to vlog about the Indian restaurant and all the food that we got, but it was really good. It was good. It wasn't meant to be recorded. I guess. But we're finally here. We made it. We had to park at the CVS, but we finna walk over. It's literally right over this way, so it's not that far of a walk, and have a good time. I'm gonna show you Connor's fit, and then I'm gonna show you my fit in advance. Excuse the bloated stomach, because I did just get done eating. All right, here's Connor's fit. Hi. Yes, ma'am, with the earth tones. Yeah. No, you're good. You look great. You look amazing. You look fantastic. You look good. Yep. No, yeah, we both just ate. So like,
right, so excuse the stomach.
You know, for real.
But like, yes, how's it like?
Yeah.
You see my makeup?
Yeah. Hold on, we gotta zoom. We gotta get close. It's dark. We can't even see. Yeah, that's the thing. I was like,
right here.
Yup.
You see me now?
Nice.
Hey.
Nice. So here's the fit. Got the purse. I couldn't decide between the two, so I got the fanny pack out as well. Green, brown, young, and whoop, stuff it back in there. And then this is the.
Yes, let me see the shoes. Let me see the shoes.
Oh, hold on, wait. Yeah.
Yes.
Our little chill night, our endeavors. It was fun, it was cool, it was a vibe. Gonna go home, right, Kana?
Yes.
I don't know if it can see you. Let me see.
Down, you can.
Yeah. But come back towards the light.
Oh.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Makeup still
there you go. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This is actually really good lighting. Calling it a night, yeah. Tired. And that food we had, boy,
Super
food was busting, boy. Thanks for coming out with me tonight.
Thanks for inviting me.
Of course, of course. All right, we're gonna end this so we can go home.
Please drive safe.
I shall. You too, please. All right, girl. Good night. Today's Sunday. I want to start building the habit of using Sundays as like a refresher day. My girlfriend does this often on Sundays. She always takes Sunday to like reset, like a Sunday reset, and like clean the house and stuff. So I'm gonna be stealing that from her. Don't know how long that may last, but we'll see. Also, this vlog is gonna be long because this vlog is gonna encompass Friday and Sunday. You know, living our lives on living our lives on Friday and resetting on Sunday. I did not feel the greatest on Saturday, so I kind of took that day to just like relax or whatever. And I'm taking today slowly, again, as a reset day. So come along as we clean areas of the house that really need our intention and attention. So first, probably gonna start off with the bathroom after I take a shower. So once I take a shower and do all the things, then we'll start cleaning in the bathroom. Okay. And then make our way around the rest of the house as much as we can. Can't be a little too ambitious though. Can't be too ambitious because ADHD, get distracted easily. Also, I forgot to mention at 6 p.m. I'll be getting ready to go to a crochet class. So that's going to be interesting at Chill. So we'll be cleaning until probably like 5:30, because it don't take that long to get there. So yeah, I totally forgot about that, and I just remembered. So okay, I'm all showered, ready to go. But remember how I said ADHD, distracted? Yeah, it's 2 o'clock and I haven't started anything. Also, I'd like to note my mother is a very neat freak. She's all about making sure everything's clean and presentable. Me, I am the tornado to her neat freakness, okay? I am a messy person. I just am. I'm sorry. Like, got clothes everywhere, products everywhere. Like, it's a mess. It's a mess. Now, is it something that I would like to work on? Yes. Am I working on it? No. But will I get there? Yes. Slowly but surely. How? Take it day by day. And I don't want this to be all like, oh my gosh, I'm so neat and so da-da-da. No. I am not an organized person. I'm the least organized person that I know when it comes to chores. I don't know how people keep things clean. I really don't. Like, I've tried all the systems and yada yada. Still haven't figured out a system that works for my brain in order to keep things clean. I don't know. I have no idea. So until then, disclaimer, it's a hot mess and chaotic over here, but hey, we show up as we are, right? All right, so let's go to the bathroom and start cleaning it. Okay, so this is the mess we're working with here. I gotta reorganize all this. I also have a bunch of clothes that need to get cleaned because, yeah, all this needs to be cleaned. And yes, all my dirty clothes are in a trash bag because I didn't want to purchase a laundry bag thing when literally you can just get a trash bag and put your dirty clothes in it and then wash them. So this is also a task I have to do. The bathtub, which I need to clean that and stuff. And then I'm gonna put the camera right here and then we'll get started. So let's do it. The sink is done, everything's done. Well, not everything, but my camera is overheating. So I'm going to let it cool down while I clean the rest. of this area. Right, bathroom is officially clean. Done. And I decided not to really do too much over here because it was already in its respective containers or whatever. So yeah, and then all the clothes that was in here, except for 2 other items because I would have to wash those in a different pile, are in the washer. And now we go to the kitchen. It's bad. So this is the disaster that we have to clean. Yeah. 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 So let's get to it. Okay, so it is 4:37. Crochet starts at 6. We're gonna see how much of this we can get done. Majority of the stuff's not gonna get hand washed. We're just gonna throw it in the dishwasher. Throw all of those whatever these are called, can't think of the name right now, water bottles in the recycling bin. And yeah, let's see how long it takes us. I say about what, 5:30? 5:30? Let's see. So kitchen is clean. It's 5:33. Pretty good timing. It's 3 minutes over. But hey, did it. And now I'm gonna take the dogs out and then get ready for crochet. Okay, so literally running late, but let's go. Let's go live our lives. Let's go do something fun. Woo! Let's go. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to like pump myself up for interacting with a lot of people. Oh, but anyway, we got this. Let's go. Okay, it is 6:05. We've made it. We're here. Okay, now let's hurry up and walk inside and get our stuff and crochet. Woo, let's go. little dancing.
That is right. How we all. Oh, come on, light.
Nice.
Okay, yeah.
Nice. I like that. I like that. Can you save it and then send
Yeah,
it
I'm
to
doing
her?
it right now.
That is so funny. Okay, and now we're doing the picture.
All right. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. And I'll do one without the flash. 3, 2, 1. All right, I got that.
Yay. Okay, so that was my eventful night. Learning how to crochet. We're supposed to be learning how to do that little hat beanie. And when I tell you, I did not really get that far because I was, oops, sorry. I'm trying to get the yarn out. This is as far as I got with my beanie. And I'm finna undo that and try to figure out something else to do as far as like crocheting, because as they stated tonight, crocheting is a very frustrating hobby, and I was getting frustrated, and I was like, yeah, you know what, I'm gonna have to do this when I take my ADHD meds, because this is ridiculous, absolutely ridiculous. That was a little much. Anyway, but I'm tired, I'm full. I had a lot of food at that event. It was eventful for sure. But yeah, that's it for this little vloggy vlog. So this has been a mindful mass, where imperfection meets mindfulness in a safe space for you to show up as you are. Go ahead and check out this video if you've been overwhelmed lately, and I will see you later. Bye.